Well, the homeless look has been vetoed, so I'm gonna have to shave the beard and cut the hair. It's freezing at this time in the morning. So, good morning. Welcome to the video. Yes, the beard has gone. No, I'm not happy about it. It's fucking freezing. But we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna get some squats and deadlifts done. This is medium weight day, so not relatively heavy. I had a slight hamstring problem the other day, so we'll see how it goes. Hopefully that doesn't flare up and we can get the work done. So I will see you there. That, my friends, is the end of that session. On Wednesday, fucking hell, the pain. Look at that. That's what happens when you shave your beard and then put your neck back like a fucking whale. Anyway, Wednesday, doing squats, lightweight. Got through all the reps. Last set, felt a twinge in my hamstring, so couldn't do the deadlifts. So when we got there today, I dropped the weight by 10 kilos just to get the sets in, and it was killing me. Did the sets, well, did 4 of the sets, and then the last set was just no chance. Warmed up for deadlifts, went 10 key before what I was meant to do. So I was meant to do 140. I warmed up to 130, pulled 130, and it was killing me. So left it at that and just did 4 sets of just singles, just so I was getting some kind of volume in. Spat me dummy out, went home, had a bath, foam rolled between all the sets as well. So, and I don't fucking know. Always happens. Test week in a week and shit goes down. But I'm going to get on with the rest of the day. I'm just going to work now for a bit. I've only got half day, so Saturday working half day. Get that done. If there's any food or anything, I'll bang that on there. Maybe make this into a full day of eating. It was meant to be a training video, but like I said, I done spat my dummy out. So, we've got no porridge in the house, so I'm gonna go to McDonald's, get some porridge, get a coffee. I've made a bagel, so I'll eat that, eat the porridge, maybe 2 porridges, you know, why not? And get some work done. Let's do that. Porridge. Smash it in. What's next? Banana. On-site food. That's what you want. Let's hurry up and get this done so I can go and eat some food. Vlogging you. Just nipped to the shop for some Mother's Day cards, so picked up a snack while I was here. And these protein bars. Let's give it a go. Quite nice. Not sure how many grams of protein in it. Oh yeah, 23 grams of protein. And it actually tastes good, considering protein bars are normally crap. Oh yeah. Food. Cheese. Chicken. Rice. Yum yum. It's a win.
Yeah, it's a win-win.
It's a win-win, isn't it, Kate?
No.
What have you got? Oh, then let's have a look what you've got.
I got a wrap,
Yeah.
cheese and tuna,
Yeah.
a bit of cucumber.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Well, that brings another one to a close, and thank you very much for watching. This next week we're going into the penultimate week before testing, so that should be interesting. I'm currently recording that footage, so it does make a good watch. So make sure you tune in for that on Sunday, and I will see you then. Take care. Bye bye.